Hey, Dana here, and welcome to my vlog, and this is Altitude. Well, the time has come. I've had these almost a year now, and I'm on my last payment, actually. And what I'm talking about is the DJI Goggles. Now, these are specifically designed for the DJI drones. You can use it for other things on your computer, and you can do first person and whatever you want to view, because it's got the HDMI plug-in, it's got audio, it's got all that stuff already built into it. But now that I've got my commercial drone license to fly, and with that now I can do my outside aerial photography and put them up on YouTube. That is considered a commercial venture because I make money on YouTube. It's not under a hobby. It's not under hobby flying. If it's under hobby flying, you cannot gain or use your aerial videos to make money. Don't get caught. So, with that being said, this video here, this series of videos here is going to be the unboxing and the use of the new goggles. Prior to that, I was using these by putting my Galaxy 7 in here and using a app that's compatible with the DJI programs, and then you could fly first person that way. Now the new stipulations say if you're going to fly first person, you should have a spotter, because you need to keep that drone in visual contact at all times. So that's even under the hobby stipulations. You can't fly first person without being able to know where your drone is. So if you're going to be flying, again, first person with goggles, you need to have a spotter. That's just the way it is. So click on the links. There it is. And that will take you into part 1, and then just as you finish each video, just click on the new video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and definitely share. Thank you again. Hope you enjoy. Okay, and with that now said, the introduction anyway, it's time to open this up. And they just love to hide things inside. And open this puppy up. Because it's going to slide. Slide in like that. Pull them out. Okay. Like I said, I've had these for over a year now, and I haven't even opened the box. They've got the DJI Care on them, so if anything happens to them, I can still try to get my money back. Let's see how. I swear they got this. All set up, don't they? Wow. I know I've seen a couple different reviews on them, and some people like them and some people don't. Power supply. Got me the plug in. Your Wi-Fi. So we'll wait and see. Now I know they've just come out with the sports models, or the racing model. Okay, strap. Okay, so that's those are the goggles. What else is? Other goodies are in here. Okay. There's the circular headset. I see. Adjustments. I got a small head, so we're gonna see if that's gonna be a factor to me or not. Pretty sure what's in there. Yeah. Here's the booklet and a plug adapter. I guess that's it. Like I said, the last couple of years I've been using the DJI, well, not exactly DJI app, it's whatever app was out there that would be compatible with the system. So let's see. It's a flip. Adjust the distances. Goggles and adjust the headset. Insert headband buckle into the slot of the DJI goggle body. Okay. So that's set. So this must be upside down. Alright. So there's your locking system. Oh, okay. So those are gonna, as you can see inside there, there's your connectors, and these are gonna lock into that. So with that said, and then you get a little locking system right there that sounds like it just did. Looks everything's hooked up. Okay. Feels like it's in, huh? There you go. It's in the. I believe it's in the flipped up position. Okay, there's the USB port already ready to go. So I guess that automatically charges everything once it's plugged in. So that's your head adjustment. Sounds ratcheted. Ratchets on the way back in. Buttons on the bottom. Tells you all your little buttons and gadgets. Once you hear it click, it says click, and now it's should be plugged in. Okay, put the DJI Goggles body to see the outside, of course. Alright. Check battery level and charging. Okay. So there's your power. I saw the power thing was right here, right? Push it in. Wow. I've actually still got two buttons, and I mean, this has been sitting. This is the first time I've unboxed it, and it's been sitting. It's been sitting over a year in that position. I just never got motivated to fire it up, and the fact that I did crash my my Phantom 3 and broke the camera on it was a real bummer, because it was going to cost me $300 to buy a new camera, and for another $600 I was able to buy the Mavic 2, which was the Mavic 2 is out now. The Mavic Pro at the time, there was a deal on it for, I got it for about $900, I think. So that said, battery level. Once you check the battery level, press once and again to hold to turn the unit on. Okay, 100 volt USB charger with a USB cable port. Battery is fully charged with the charging station. Okay, or battery level indicators. Turn on. Charge time approximately 4 hours.